Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 10 on hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today's topic is Spearman's rank coefficient. Spearman's rank coefficient is a technique which can be used to summarize the strength and direction of relationship between two variables. This is also the same concept as of Pearson's correlation coefficient, which we saw on day 9, that is yesterday, and Spearman's rank coefficient will also result the values in the range of +1 to -1, and the Spearman's rank order correlation is the non-parametric version of Pearson's correlation. Okay, to understand Spearman's correlation, rank correlation coefficient, let's take an example and work on it. So I have a data of maths and physics subjects marks, and I name the variables x and y. And now we are going to find the rank of each variable. And when I say, let's r of x is rx and rank of y is ry, and 97 is the first mark, so the 97's rank is 1, 94 is 2, 79 is 3, it is 4 and 5. Ry, for rank of all the variables in y, it is rank 1, rank 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to create two new columns which will be useful. They are the difference and difference square. I will tell you why we are creating these two columns in later. So their difference equal to rx minus ry, which is -2, and 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, and it is -4. And when we square it, we get positive 4, 1, 4, 9 and 16. And let's do the summation of it. So summation is equal to 16, 25, 30, 34, and our summation comes to out to be 34. Spearman's correlation coefficient of x of y is equal to 1 minus summation of d square divided by n cube minus n, which is equal to 1 minus summation of d square is 34 divided by n cube is 125 minus 5, which equals 1 minus 34 by 120, and this equals to 86 divided by 120. 43 and 60, which is 4.3 by 6, and it is equal to something around 0.71. So with this we can say that the variables x and y are highly correlated. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 11.